How Atlassian's decision to shut down Jira server is affecting operations departments. Operations departments in medium to large size organizations have relied on Atlassian's Jira server for years. Chief operating officers and IT managers have made the most of the flexibility and functionality of hosting their apps, data, and workflows on an on-premises infrastructure. This allowed them to keep their departments up and running without any security concerns and breaches. However, all of that changed when Atlassian announced the end of life of the Jira server in February. It came as a surprise to large organizations across a diverse variety of industries. The biggest challenge for operation departments is their inability to switch to the cloud. They face a lot of security policies and regulations, and cloud is simply not an option for them. The question that arises nowadays is there any alternative for operations department after the Atlassian's decision? KanBo software with an on-premises deployment is currently one of the most ideal alternatives for the operations department. While looking for a Jira server alternative, you want the security and functionality that is not easy to replicate. However, KanBo provides you with everything you're searching for. You want to stay within the convenience of your own infrastructure so that you can guard your data and apps in the best possible manner. KanBo on-premises makes that possible while ensuring you also get the most out of the cloud-based apps. KanBo on-premises is the perfect choice for your operation departments. You get the access to a comprehensive solution that includes many capabilities that are essential for a well-functioning operations department. But why is on-premises software deployment so crucial for operations department? To understand the significance of an on-premises software installation, you will need to understand primary tasks and responsibilities of the operations department. This way, you will be able to appreciate the benefits of an on-premises deployment of data and applications. The operations department in an enterprise is responsible for ensuring complete customer satisfaction by making sure that orders are filled on time. Their responsibilities include covering managing production risks and syncing manufacturing timelines. They are also responsible for the delivery of materials needed for production. Operations management is also very important when it comes to maximizing efficiency and productivity in an enterprise. It involves planning, organizing, and supervising organizational processes to achieve and exceed the equilibrium of revenues and costs. Operations department is also responsible for planning, executing, and monitoring each project from the beginning to the end. In any enterprise, the operations department is very crucial to the overall success of the organization. Operations managers are required to work closely with other departmental heads to achieve optimal results in every project. They should always be aware of the current status of the business and where the company is currently going. Operations managers have to have the overall understanding of the entire business model and organizational systems. So what does the deployment of KanBo on-premises mean for operations department? In many business domains, it's almost impossible to move all the operational workflows, projects, and initiatives to a cloud-based infrastructure. Choosing between cloud and on-premises is one of the most crucial decisions for the operations department, and it can have a major impact on the entire enterprise. They need the infrastructure to perform their daily tasks, which is flexible, reliable, and secure. Operations department is very important. They are responsible for the production schedule, delivery of the materials, inventory, and maintaining the right amount of stocks to fulfill demand. It's an exceptionally essential responsibility for the department and a huge part of the overall success of the enterprise. That's where KanBo on-premises software can help operations departments. The software offers a package of enterprise services that allow you to play a productive role through the automation of business processes in enterprise computing. The scope of any enterprise service is crucial because too much functionality can hamper the usability of the service. KanBo delivers the perfect balance of a form and function for operations departments. So let's quickly conclude everything. After the Atlassian's announcement, operations department are looking to find an on-premises software deployment. They need to maintain their workflows, systems, and processes while complying with security and regulatory standards. That's why KanBo is now becoming a popular alternative for operations departments, as it offers the right combination of security and functionality.